Good morning, friends. Good morning. How are you all today? Fine. Have you had your breakfast? Yes. How is it? Nice. First, I want to introduce myself. This is Jyoti. I am from Nirmal. I am a teacher trainee of DLED second year, Government Diet Karimnagar. Now I am teaching 5th class science. Before going to teach, may I ask some questions? Yes. In our surrounding, many plants and trees are there. Yes or no? Yes. Is there any place without trees in our surrounding? No. No. Why? Children, have you ever planted plant in your surrounding? Yes. Which plants did you planted? Jasmine. Okay. Where did you plant? Okay. Can you guess what is our topic today? Very good. You know very well. Going to teach. Let's plant trees. When do we see plants and trees around us, how do we feel? We feel happy and cheerful. Forests render greenery on the earth. Forests occupy 33% of the earth's surface. But the area occupied by the forest is decreasing day by day. So the number of birds and animals are also decreasing. The decrease in rainfalls lead to the drying out of the water. So rivers are becoming dry. Yes or no? Yes. The earth's outer surface is becoming hot due to the breaking of ozone layer. Yes or no? Yes. So, to overcome this problem, what do? We have to protect our environment, and also we have to protect our trees and animals. Okay, let's know about how to grow plants and trees and what are the essential conditions for the growth. Let's see. What are the essential conditions for the growth of plants? Do you know, children? Good. What are they? Sunlight. Next one. Fertile soil. And next one, water. Is sunlight essential for the growth of plants? Yes. Let's see one experiment. First, we take 2 pots. One is the red pot and another one is the green pot. Plant 2 healthy plants in these 2 pots. do we take here? What are they? One is the red potted plant and another one is the green potted plant. So keep red potted plant in the in a dark room. Okay. Green potted plant in the sunlight. Where do we keep red potted plant? In the dark room. And where do we keep green potted plant? In the sunlight. Good. Keep these two potted plant in the, one is the in the dark room and another one is the sunlight. So water these two plants every day. Observe these two plants for a week. Can anyone guess which plant is healthy? Green potted plant is healthy. Why? Due to the sunlight, the plants prepares food materials by the process of photosynthesis. That's why the green potted plant is healthy. Is it clear, all of you? Yes. What did we learn from this experiment? Sunlight is the most important for the growth of a plant. Okay. Is fertile soil is essential for the growth of a plant? Yes. Let's see one experiment. First we take two pots. Fill one of the pot with ordinary soil. Second one part with soil mixed with organic manure. Which soil do we fill in the first part? Ordinary soil. Which soil do we fill in the second part? Organic manure. So plant two similar healthy plants in these two pots. Next, keep these two pots in the sunlight. Water these two plants for a week and observe these two plants for a week. Which plants, can you guess which plants has grown well? Second potted plant is grown well. Why? Why? Because of presence of chemicals which help to the growing part, that plant is grow well. So what did we learn from this experiment? Fertile soil is most important for the growth of a plant. Is water essential for the growth of a plant? Yes. Let's see one experiment. Take two pots, take two potted plants which are growing in a fertile soil. Supply water to one of the plant every day and don't supply water to another plant. transferred to another plant. Observe these two plants for a week. Can you guess which plant is healthy? Why? Because of preparation of food materials, water is also essential for the growth of plants. Is it clear? What did we learn from this experiment? Water is most essential for the growth of a plant. From this experiment, what are the essential for the growth of a plant? Good. Let's know about the places where we can grow plants. Which plants are to be planted and where? We should select suitable place before planting a tree. Do you know which plants are planted in the backyard of the house? Can you guess? The plant trees which are always green and give shade like mango, banyan, berries and neem in the backyard of the house. And can you guess which plants are to be planted on the either side of the road? The plant trees like neem, banyan and kanuga in the either sides of the road. Can you guess which plants are to be planted in the school premises? Kanuga and neem. Very good. Ashoka. Very good. Do you know vegetables can be grown in pots on the terrace, balcony and in places that receive sunlight? Yes or no? May I ask some questions? Which plants are to be planted in the backyard of the house? Drumstick, curry leaf, banana, coconut, jasmine and fruit-bearing fruits. These plants planted in the backyard of the house. Let's see advantages of trees. What do trees give us? Tell me. Trees give flowers. And fruits. And trees provide shelter to many living creatures. And trees provide food materials. And trees give wood to cook. And trees give oxygen to breathe. Next. Okay. Next. Furniture. Good answer. And next. Okay. And next. Tell me. Health and wealth. What do trees give us? Flowers, fruits and shelter and food materials, wood to cook, and trees give oxygen to breathe. Okay, what have we learned today? Advantages of trees and which plants are to be planted and where, and what are the essential conditions for a growth of plants. May I ask some questions? What are the essential for the growth of a plant? Very good. What do trees give us? Very good. Which plants are to be planted on the either sides of the road? Banyan, neem and kanuga. Okay, thank you.